As we age, staying active and flexible becomes more challenging, but also more important than ever. Chair yoga offers a safe, accessible way for seniors to enjoy the benefits of yoga without needing to get on the floor. It adapts traditional poses to a seated or supported position, making movement achievable for most people. More than just stretching, chair yoga improves flexibility, strength, balance, and mental clarity, all from a chair. It supports better posture, reduces fall risk, and can ease chronic conditions like arthritis and back pain. It also relieves stress, enhances mood, and promotes emotional well-being. Because it avoids floor work and complex transitions, it's ideal for limited mobility, joint pain, or balance concerns. With the chair providing support, movements feel safer, more stable, and more empowering. Chair yoga is widely used in rehab and wellness settings, for seniors, post-surgery recovery, or chronic health conditions. It also encourages social connection when practiced in groups, reducing isolation. Gentle movement combined with mindfulness can boost memory, focus, and mental clarity. The practice often begins with warm-ups like neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and gentle twists. Seated forward bends stretch the back and calm the nervous system. Cat-cow movements improve spinal flexibility and ease tension. Mountain pose in a chair builds core strength and body awareness. Side stretches release tightness and deepen breathing. Crescent stretches lift the spine and improve posture. Leg lifts and extensions build hip and thigh strength, important for balance. Seated calf raises support circulation and lower leg endurance. Arm circles and wrist stretches prepare the upper body and reduce stiffness. Breathing exercises are key, inhaling to lengthen, exhaling to relax and release. With regular practice, you may notice better posture, less pain, and more energy. Chair yoga also promotes heart health and helps manage blood pressure. It's low impact and proven safe, even for those with health challenges. Sessions blend movement, breathing, and relaxation to nourish the whole body. You can adapt each pose, add cushions, adjust your chair, or hold the armrests. Chair yoga can be done at home, in a class, or even while traveling. It fits your lifestyle. And it's not just for seniors. Anyone can benefit from its gentle, effective approach. Consistency matters. Just a few times a week can make a real difference. When combined with mindful breathing, it offers full body wellness in a simple form. Read the full article. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more accessible wellness videos.